Welcome back to Yardi Upliftment channel, where I give insights on career, business, work from home, side hustles, and freelancing opportunities. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks all to those all who have subscribed. Thank you very much. In this video tonight, I'm going to show you a website that is alternative to Fiverr. And the name of this website is upwork.com. upwork.com. So you just go on it and Google it and click on it. And I am not new to this website. I have a profile on it. So you have to just go on it and sign up. Press sign up and put in your profile and fill out all the parts for the fill out. It will give you like the availability, the badge, hours. I put in 30 hours per week I can work. And my profile is private because you have to be applying for jobs to get on the public. But personally, when you apply for a job, the buyer can accept you. And I choose customer service, data entry and transcription, email marketing, lead generation, and telemarketing. So this is my profile. But when you're new, it will prompt you to sign up. Right? Just fill out the profile. All right, I do transcription on this site. So what I did was you type in like transcription and press search. And you see different jobs come up. Transcription, video, reel editing. So you just go through and look if these jobs fit your requirement, if you can do these jobs. English proofreading of 30 minutes, one Chinese speaker. So if you can talk Chinese or you understand how to do that transcription, you can apply. But what I find when I'm applying for job and Upwork, I mostly apply to jobs where payments are verified. Because there's scamming going on all over the world, that is on Fiverr, it is on Upwork. So most of the persons I apply to job from, they must be verified. So you go through and look, and if you can, because some persons maybe they don't want to put in their verification, but I stick to verified accounts. Data entry and copy type into PDF Word. So if they're verified and you can do these skills, you can do them. English proofing. I can't translate Chinese, so I wouldn't apply for that job. But once it's an English job, you can apply for it. Looking for Africans for order data collection project. So you can sign up for Upwork. It's an alternative to Fiverr, and it's the same 20% that you take when you get the job. Same thing. But it's just a different platform. PDF to Word document. That's an easy job. If you can do it to convert 47 PDF document into MS Word and format into company template. If you can do that, it's very easy. That's a very easy job. But usually I stick to transcription jobs. You just go through and apply it, as I said, just like Fiverr alternative. Movie sheet business automation. If you can do that, you can apply. Some of them is long-term jobs, some is short-term. English recording, a very sample job which can finish quickly in US project. It was posted 4 hours ago. It's gonna pay $12 and it's a verified account. So we are working on an English pronunciation project and we are looking for someone willing to do English recording according to the word list we provide. So you can sign up if you can get more than one income stream, that is good. But the objective is to supplement our income and to achieve more in our life. So we don't have to be working on Fiverr alone. YouTube data entry, verified account. I'm looking to extract 4 data points of YouTube influencer from their last 3 month posted videos. So if you know your influencer, you have that, you can do it. Spanish transcription, content writer, medical template creator. So it is a good way. It's another site that you can go on. And if you are suppose you're even in a customer service or a telemarketer, if you need a telemarketer job, so you don't have to be just transcription alone. You have telemarketing, hold on warm call and needed, telemarketing in Dubai, outbound sales, permanent work from home, morning shift. So those are like customer service and outbound negative sales. So it's a very good alternative to Fiverr. You can sign up today and earn some extra US dollars, living anywhere in the world, Jamaica or anywhere in the world. You can do it customer. Let me type in customer service. So it's an alternative to Fiverr. Customer service manager, you click for product study moderation. So a lot of different jobs are posted here. Virtual assistant, appointment setting and general client outreach, verified. Rockstar virtual assistant. You can go through and get work on this site. This upwork.com. Go ahead and apply today and supplement your income. If you want to leave your 95 or you want to work at 95, I just tell persons I work at 95 and I still do these jobs on the side. It's a side also to improve your living. You can acquire a house, buy a car, do anything you want to do. It's a side also. Another thing is I would like to tell person is I had post this video, Job Seeker International Placement Agency, and 2 persons told me that they applied and they get confirmation from the company and they give them the requirement or you don't pay for a visa and you do not pay for the plane fare to go to England. So I think it's that 17,500 they have to pay for processing fees and things like that. So they give them what is required of them. So 2 persons contacted me and said that they get confirmation. So they are going to pay the fee. But when you pay that fee, the company will pay your visa fee and your plane fare. So and they find accommodation for you in UK. So please, Job Seekers International Placement Agency, apply today and apply for this opportunity. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.